Hi, welcome back to Public Administration, and this is our last discussion, which we're going to be doing this week. This week, all we have to do is log on and do your responses to discussion 14, like we have all semester, the 6 responses on 3 different days, so 2 on each day. And we're going to post an initial post for your final discussion. And I didn't put that here, but I will put that in after I publish this video. And so our post for this week is simple. You're going to be reflecting back on this class and discuss your main takeaway from this course. Let's get this up right. And you'll discuss your main takeaway from the course. Or you can discuss a public administration topic that you felt was the most interesting to explore or wish we could have discussed more. So this is really just you reflecting back on the semester and letting me and the rest of the class know what you felt was important or that you really learned here. So it's a pretty simple week. But I do want to remind you to log back on Sunday because I'm gonna have you do the responses for this discussion as well. So with that, it's a pretty short video, and I will make a final video for you next week, and I will actually record it with a video camera, and so it won't be a screencast. But if you have any questions, make sure you send me an email, and I will get back to you. Thank you.